learn how to make a paper plane with paper. First make this, so then this, then fold this. So then make this and this. Then remove this and make this. So then make this. So then make this. So then make this, so then it's ready. Morgan, make a paper plane. Can teach me how to make